Hey guys, welcome to my channel Easy Baking or Cooking with Swapna Kumar. As you can see, monsoon is here. With the change of weather, everybody is catching cold or cough and our kids are falling sick. So my today's recipe will help you to fight against the cold and cough, and also it can be used in the winters during cold. This is chicken ajwain. So today we'll see what all you need for chicken ajwain. As the name suggests, chicken ajwain, so we need chicken and ajwain for it. And for this you need chicken, which should be country chicken, which is desi chicken. With If you can manage the chicken with the skin, it will be best, but I could not manage the chicken with the skin, so we'll cook without the skin. You take a half a kg of chicken and marinate in salt. Keep it in the fridge for half an hour, and then take the onion, the garlic, the chilies, tomatoes, and the coriander leaves. And after this, you need three more important things. Now these three ingredients are the tricky ingredients which will change the flavor of the chicken. Soak them in water and make a paste of the three ingredients all together and keep it aside. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then after the oil is hot and smoky, add the green chilies to it, and then after the chili is slightly cooked, add the chopped onions to it, and then cook the onions for around a minute, and thereafter you can add the tomatoes and ginger garlic paste and mix them together and keep it for 1 hour. While on the other hand, take a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. Add little water, around 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of water, and mix it well and make a paste. Now add this paste to the tomatoes and cook it well. Now after a minute of cooking the tomatoes and the paste together, add the chicken to it, which we have already marinated in salt before. Mix it well and cover it and let the chicken cook for around 20 to 50 minutes. Thereafter, after 20 to 30 minutes, uncover the chicken and add little water, say about a glass of water, and let it cook for an hour on slow flame. And in between you have to keep checking the chicken and keep adding little water to it, but you can also pressure cook the chicken if you want. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder once the chicken is almost cooked. See, this is a country chicken, it will take a lot of time to cook, and if you cook it on low flame, you will get the better flavor out of it. And after the chicken is cooked, add the paste, the poppy seed paste which we have kept, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then cover it and switch off the gas. Garnish the chicken with fresh coriander leaves and serve it, and your chicken ajwain is ready to be eaten. Enjoy the chicken in this rainy season, or you can enjoy it in the cold weather also. The best combination to have this chicken is with sale roti, or you can call it Nepalese bread. The recipe is also given. Please follow the link given in the description section. Till then, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.